To manage pages in navigation, click Pages in the left sidebar. If you want to add a new page to your site, simply click the purple Add Page button at the bottom. From here, you can generate a page with AI, add an empty page, or add one with a template. For example, let's say we want to add a privacy policy to our site. There's actually a category for that, so we can click that and simply grab the privacy policy template by clicking on it. With some templates, Hostinger asks for additional information to fill out placeholder elements in the template. Simply add your details and click Add Page. You'll immediately land on the new page and the Page Settings dialog will be open. Here you can give the page a new name or even customize the URL. There are also tabs in the Page Settings dialog to add a social image and set a password for the page. Whenever you're done making changes to the page settings, click Save. If you look at the header of the website, you can see that the new page was automatically added to the navigation menu, and it was put at the end of the list. If you want to reorganize this menu order, you can use the main navigation panel on the left side. Simply click and drag on the 6 dots to the left of any page name and move it to a new location. You can also make the page a subpage of another page by dragging it to the right in the navigation under another item. Finally, if you don't want this page to show up in your navigation at all, but you want it to still be accessible by the URL, you can drag it all the way to the bottom to this Hidden from Navigation section. Now, it doesn't show up in the menu up top, but visitors can still access this page if you link to it directly somewhere else on your site. Finally, if you ever need to update your page settings, simply click the 3 dots to the right of the page name in your Pages Management panel, and then select the most relevant option. If you want to delete your page, simply click the Delete button at the bottom of the menu, and then click Delete.